How to photograph the pearls by iPhone at home. To start shooting incredible pearls photos that no one will believe were taken with an iPhone. I took this photo on my iPhone 7. I don't use a single lens reflex camera or a macro lens. What pearl photography equipment do I need? Smartphone, tripod, swing arm desk lamp, white spiral compact, fluorescent bulb, mother of pearl, shell. The shell is produced from the same natural lustrous material as the pearl itself, called nacre. When the iPhone camera catch the shell's nacre, the camera determine the proper aperture and shutter speed automatically. Be sure to check the surface of the pearls before shooting it. If you want to turn it off, just shine a light on it. Make sure to turn off your fluorescent light or other light in your room. When photographing pearls, I find one single source of light is best. The pearls will appear with more dimension. The pearls look pearly. One of common errors in pearl photography is using many light sources. The most important part of photography, the lighting. If the light is not perfect, your picture will not be. Hold the head of the swing arm lump. Move it up and down, left and right, front and back, to find the best lighting point. Pearl photography is a challenging art, and capturing beauty of pearls is one of most difficult aspects. Lighting and background are very important when you're taking pictures. It's not difficult to take this picture. Fix the pearls on white mother of pearl with glue gun or dental wax. Those pearls are the highest quality Japanese Akoya pearls that were harvested over 40 years ago. If you have difficulty finding a mother of pearl shell, frosted glass or frosted matte acrylic sheet can be used instead. Not all pearls can be photographed beautifully with this pearl photography method.
I introduced the secret of pearl photography. I am an old Japanese man living in Kobe. I retired from the pearl industry a few years ago. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel.